Hi, I am Tony Tech Guru. Come with me today as we explore 10 survival gadgets every man should own, ensuring they're ready for any challenge, whether in the wild or the urban jungle. Stay tuned to discover the tools that will make you a modern-day survivor. Number 10. Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit. Talking about survival kits, we often ignore first aid kits, but safety is the first thing we should ensure. Talking about safety and providing assurance of helping you handle a range of medical situations, the Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit is a great option. This kit made our list of the best survival first aid kits precisely because it hits all the buttons. In addition to its portability, it boasts 200 medical supplies, all in a package measuring just 9 inches by 7 inches by 4 inches and weighing just slightly more than 2 pounds. Number 9. Camillus Highlimb Branch Saw. The Camillus Highlimb Saw allows you to clear high branches from the safety of the ground. Unlike other branch saws, our patent-pending handle design incorporates weights, allowing you to sling the rope over high branches with ease and precision. The chainsaw blade also boasts a dual-direction design, allowing you to cut in both pulling motions for maximum efficiency. For added security, two 20-foot sections of 300-pound paracord provide durable and strong connections to safely handle the toughest jobs. A storage pouch with a belt loop is also included to store the saw when not in use. There are numerous applications of the Highlimb saw, some of which include setting up a tree stand, clearing shooting lanes before hunting season, storm cleanup, or simply maintaining your property. Truly embodying our signature degree of versatility, the Highlimb saw will make for an integral addition to your toolkit. Number 8. FVGTA Night Vision Goggles. Every survivalist knows they should own high-quality illumination tools like tactical flashlights and headlamps. But what if you need to see in the dark without being seen? What stealth was necessary for the mission at hand? Then you need some night vision gadgets to get that done. For an affordable night vision option, go with a set of FVGTA night vision goggles. This night vision goggles features photo and video mode, allowing you to record everything you see in total darkness. They are perfect for many applications including security, camping, boating, bird watching, hiking, wildlife observation, search and rescue, and video recording in continuously light-changing conditions, from dawn to absolute darkness. Number 7. Kizen Solar Lantern. The collapsible solar lantern collapses to fit in your pocket. Just pull it out, pop it open, turn it on, and you've got a bright lantern to illuminate a campsite or dark room. Plus, this lantern replaces several regular survival tools. When collapsed, it's a flashlight. When popped out, it's a lantern. It also has a solar panel, so you don't need to feed it new batteries. And you can use it to charge your cell phone or small electronic devices in a pinch. This tiny light will replace 4 different survival tools. Number 6. Fullsheild Waterproof Hiking Socks. When we think of gadgets, we don't think about socks. But when we hear the terms waterproof, windproof, and mudproof, we reconsider. These waterproof socks are a backpacker's dream. When it comes to hiking or bugging out long distances, your feet will take a beating. And if they get wet, you can get a nasty condition called trench foot. But with modern technology and ingenuity, we can keep our feet dry even in wet conditions. Number 5. Estream. Estream is a portable water power generator that converts any type of moving water, such as that from a river or stream, into stored energy to charge most of today's USB-connected mobile devices, even while you are off the grid. It takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge a 6400 mAh built-in battery by running water. Once fully charged, the battery can charge up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or even tablet PCs, twice as fast as a regular outlet. Continue to charge your devices, even on the longest adventures. Number 4. Tech Lock. Have you ever wanted a secure and versatile way to carry your gear? The Tech Lock is the ultimate attachment system for your holster magazine carriers and knives. The Tech Lock is designed to fit belts from 1.25 to 2.25 inches, making it compatible with almost any belt on the market. Its patented design allows for a quick and easy attachment and detach of your gear, giving you the freedom to switch out your equipment with ease. This attachment, the system is also highly customizable with multiple mounting options available. You can attach it to your gear in either a vertical or horizontal position. Depending on your preference, the Tech Lock is made from a durable and lightweight polymer, making it tough enough to withstand even the most rugged conditions. Whether you're a law enforcement officer, military personnel, or a civilian, the Tech Lock is the perfect solution to keep your gear secure and within reach. Number 3. Gerber KeyNote. The KeyNote is a do-it-all knife that packs a surprising amount of utility into a compact frame. The dual-use blade is deployed W a starter tab and secured open W a nail nick. It offers both a scraping and a cutting edge. The stout blade can be carried in a multitude of ways: on belt, in a pocket, or on a keychain. Number 2. Yaktrax hiking and walking traction. If you hike on icy trails in winter or spring, you know how hard it is to keep good traction. Yaktrax Traction Cleat solves that problem with a simple steel-wrapped rubber design that fits snugly around your hiking boots. The difference is incredible. Instead of taking slow, unsteady, slippery steps, you feel grafted to the ice. Now you can make faster progress through the wilderness. You should always keep a pair of these in your hiking pack and another in the back of your car. They are cheap, they are lightweight, and they store very easily. Number 1. Tact Bivvy. Imagine you're putting together an emergency survival kit. What would you put in first? If you said food and water, you're wrong. According to the creators of this sleeping bag, they believe that the likelihood of dying from the whims of the weather is far greater than from dehydration and starvation combined, making the sleeping bag one of the most useful yet underappreciated survival tools on the planet. It fits in the palm of your hand and weighs approximately 140 grams, while being able to accommodate a person up to 210 centimeters tall and retains 90% of body heat. The heat echo material is reusable and protects against wind and rain. In conclusion, these 10 survival gadgets are your ultimate companions for tackling life's challenges head-on. Whether you're in the great outdoors or the urban jungle, being prepared is the key to triumph. So, keep these gadgets close, stay ready, and embrace life's adventures with confidence.